Hello, my name is Iris Ortez, and following with this presentation, in my case, I'm going to explain this other specialized document, which is U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, that in Spanish is Declaración de Impuestos sobre la Renta de Personas Físicas de Estados Unidos, better known here in El Salvador as Declaración de la Renta. Form 1040 is an IRS tax form used for personal federal income tax return filed by United States residents. The form calculates the total taxable income of the taxpayer and determine how much is to be paid or refunded by the government. Well, first, these documents contain more pages, but this is only the first one. This page collects information about the taxpayer and dependents. In particular, the taxpayer specifies his or her filing status on this page. For translating these documents, we have to use literal translation. Why? Because the majority of words have their equivalent exactly both in English as Spanish. The translated text retains the same syntax and also the same meaning. On the other hand, we use an adaptation with one phrase. In this case was relationship to you, because we have to accommodate it to the common form of mentioning it. For example, in our country, El Salvador, in this case, this word we must better know like parentesco. That is why we included this expression. Because en la mayoría de los documentos en los cuales se nos solicita poner algún beneficiario, por ejemplo, en las planillas del Seguro Social, en las planillas de AFP y en cualquier otro documento parecido, siempre esa opción aparece como parentesco, por lo cual aquí no usamos una literal translation, porque acá estamos adecuando a la forma más conocida de la palabra. Now, also, we use another tool, which was PROS. This helped us to translate the Chinese words, which were several. Some of them we have SSN, that in Spanish refers to Número de Seguro Social. This is a numerical identifier assigned to U.S. citizens and some residents to track their income and determine benefits. It's a program to provide for retirement and disability benefits for the old and infirm. They use it when they go to the doctor, rent a house, carry out any financial transactions, or bond relief deals, opening accounts, etc. Other abbreviations that we have is PTIN, Número de Identificación Fiscal del Preparador. A tax preparer is an individual who prepares calculates and files income tax returns on behalf of individuals and businesses. Also, we have a EIN. That's mean número de identificación patronal. It's the employer identification number. It's a unique number assigned by the IRS to business entities operating in the United States for the purpose of identification. Of course, as a last one, we have IRS, Servicio de Impuestos Internos, which is the U.S. government agency responsible for the collection of taxes and enforcement of tax laws.